Hi guys, Rich here from Wild Wonderful Weekends, and this is the second video in a series I'm doing on great places for flatwater kayaking in West Virginia. If you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe. Ridenour Lake is located in Nitro, West Virginia, which is about 20 minutes from downtown Charleston. At 27 acres and an average depth of 8 feet, it's really more of a pond than a lake. But if you have kids that are just getting into kayaking and you want to let them explore but still keep an eye on them, then this is a great place to spend some time on the water. There are no motorboats allowed here, so it's super safe. Despite its small size, Ridenour is very scenic and it's a great place to spot wildlife. There are benches located around the lake for fishing or just relaxing, covered shelters with grills for picnics, and a large gazebo for events. Ridenour is ideal for a group get-together if there are some in your party who like kayaking and others who would rather relax, play horseshoes, grill out, or just walk around the lake. It's definitely worth a check out. Thanks for watching.